Hello, people.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
35th match. 35th match.
Yeah.
Okay, who would have thought? Who would have thought that during these times, IPL would happen without incidents? Thankfully, nobody is harmed, and they've done it so brilliantly, right?
Yes.
It's
Right.
amazing to
Yes.
see games happening in a stadium, and 35th match today.
Yep.
Ah,
Almost halfway through the tournament. Oh, more than halfway. Yep.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so people, this is SRH versus KKR. People who claim that Amar Bouquet KKR are missing from today's conversation. But anyway, Hyderabad and Kolkata. So this is interesting. Okay, so people, of course, both these teams look great on paper. Okay, and both these teams have had a very mixed performance so far.
Tournament.
And KKR is definitely very, very unpredictable. SRH has such brilliant individual names, and yet something is going wrong. Okay,
Yes.
so we'll see today who beats whom. Okay, apparently KKR are the favorites today. So I would like to know from you who your favorites are. So we'll start with the questions. I'll go a certain way. Coach Abhishek and Kriti. That's the way we are going. Okay, so the first question for today is on this ground, the ground is Abu Dhabi. So, what will be the combined score in today's match? Will it be less than 320? Will it be between 320 and 330? Or will it be more than 330? Kaushik, we'll start with you.
Well, I have not been keeping up with the scores too much in this season because I am busy with some household work. But going by I was going through the batting lineup. I saw three world-class batsmen in SRH: Johnny Bairstow, David Warner, and
And
Manish Pandey. They all represent their
yeah.
teams.
Hmm.
So I would say yes, 320 to 330 should be the score combined. I don't see too much batting power with KKR. Subman Gill is the only one firing. Andre Russell comes in very late. Owen Morgan is still coping up with the captaincy. He was newly appointed the captain of the team. So I would go with SRH as my favorite team and 320 to 330 score
Okay, okay,
combined.
Abhishek.
I think I agree with. I think 320, 330 looks no good because when the tournament started, if you see the history of IPLs when it was in India, there were grounds where 200 was a very common. But now I think this season, especially Abu Dhabi and Dubai, 160, 65 has been a par score. 180 plus in Sharjah has become a par score now. So I think 320 to 330 is what I feel will be the score that.
Okay, Kriti.
I agree with the two of them. So,
Okay, this question is wasted. All of you are.
uh, no, it's not actually wasted. There is a very good reason for that. You see the pattern and you look at it, right? Like Abhishek said, we none of the teams have actually crossed the 180 mark, so to speak. मतलब 180 तो मतलब बहुत ही fancy situation में हो जाता है, like शारजा जैसे stadium में जहाँ पे छोटा field है. But apart from that, no, we haven't seen that score. So yes, I agree with Abhishek and Kaushik here. 320. इसीलिए मैं पहले से ही ऐसे मूव करके हंस रही थी because I saw Kaushik say the same thing and then Abhishek repeat it. So yeah, between 320 and 330.
You know,
Okay,
there is
people.
one reason that I would like to say. Everybody is talking about the smaller ground size, but we are not looking at the pitch. I saw this on the official presentations as well. Everybody talking about small grounds, but the pitch condition, the pitches are very slow in Middle
Right.
East. So that
Yes.
is another factor why too many runs are not being scored.
Agree. I think they're using three pitches for the whole now. I think by now we are talking about 35th tournament
Yep.
game. So I mean, yeah, the pitches have gone slower.
Very, very. And
Agree.
today is a day match too.
Yeah. So
So yeah,
Hey,
the
Bhagwan.
second second innings is going to be really, really tough.
it's gonna be.
So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so people, next question is, so which team today will have a better power play? Which team will have a better score in the power play? Kaushik. He's already
Uh,
kind of answered this earlier, but yeah.
SRH, I guess, because you see, it other than the batsmen, if you see at the way the teams are planning the matches, KKR plans to get most of the runs from the lower end, depending on like Andre Russell and Dinesh Karthik, and their opener, who is Shubman Gill, has been scoring. He follows the way wherein he starts slowly and then matches up with the scoring rate. So I think this team, if you see Johnny Bairstow, he has hit maximum number of sixes, in comparison to all the other players in both the teams. So Johnny Bairstow is looking good. David Warner is scoring bit and pieces. He will definitely come in handy. A big score is awaited from him. Manish Pandey, again an India player, he's a six hitter as well. So I think the SRH has a better scope of scoring more runs in the power play.
Okay, Kaushik is killing my questions today. Abhishek.
I'll go with KKR today.
Oh, thank you so much
Yeah.
for that.
Look, I think the reason being, I think if definitely what Kaushik said is right. I mean, SRH in terms of the top four is a very heavy, but generally KKR has opened in the first power play with likes of Naren and the other spinners, and Warner tends to struggle. He tries to scoop and tries to get struggle there. So chances of KKR scoring in the power play is, I feel, a little higher because Shubman Gill looks certain. I think there's only they keep shuffling between Rahul Tripathi and somebody else in the opening spot. But Shubman has been very consistent. So I'll go with KKR today in the power plays.
Okay. Kriti.
Now I'm confused. So I had SRH on my mind because they have a history of in this season they have been like you said, yes, they have been struggling, but at the same time they have also been taking people by surprise. So yes, I am still going to go with SRH.
Okay.
I hear you, Abhishek. I hear you, but still SRH.
That's okay. We should be divided in terms of answering. That's fine. Otherwise, again,
I
the
know.
question
Otherwise,
gets
all the
wasted.
questions will be wasted, like Anuradha says.
Okay, my third question I hope won't be wasted. Okay, so my third question is, and since Kaushik's favorite is SRH today, my third question is on SRH batters. Okay, the top four: Warner, Williamson, Bairstow, and Pandey. Okay, so Kaushik, tell me, considering a minimum of 20 runs, which SRH batter is going to have the best strike rate among these four?
I would go with Johnny Bairstow because Ken Williamson is more of a copybook cricketer. Manish Pandey will come in late. David Warner is struggling because of some captaincy pressure or things, managing the team and things like that. Johnny Bairstow, I was observing him. He has scored more sixes than Andre Russell and David Warner. So I would go with Johnny Bairstow.
Okay, Abhishek?
Manish Pandey, I think for me, Manish Pandey probably comes about, if the openers are playing well, Manish Pandey will preferably bat till the end of the over. So he gets the additional last 5-6 overs also if he plays slow, and chances of him scoring in those last 5-6 overs are higher for him. So
Like
time
we're talking
gets
about strike
get
rate now.
gets time to play those shots and make up with the ball and score ratio. So I think that's why I say Manish Pandey. Right.
Okay, Kriti?
Johnny Bairstow.
Ah, okay. We have a fan. Okay, so we were talking about sixes, and of course, Bairstow's name came up. But I have a different question, and I think that Kaushik will opt for the third option. Okay, the question is, which player will hit the most sixes today? My options are David Warner from SRH, Andre Russell from KKR, or someone else. Kaushik, I know your answer, I think.
I think I will go with Johnny Westo again because you see Warner. I would love to see him, be the highest scorer of the match because when he is on song, he reminds me of Virendra Sehwag. So, but he is struggling. I think the captaincy pressure is playing with his mind. And Andre Russell, I have been following him even before the IPL started, and I saw he was carrying an injury. So I think one that he comes late, secondly he is carrying an injury. I don't know how long he is going to even if he is going to complete the IPL completely. So I would go with Johnny Bairstow because he has already hit more sixes than these two.
Okay. Abhishek?
I think Johnny Bairstow is definitely seems to be a good contender today in the discussion. I feel there's good chances for Ian Morgan as well because again he comes to bat about fifth in number 4, number 5, and then the last when if KKR is batting first, to get a high score slogs. So choice between one and someone else, I'll go with the someone else today, and pick Ian Morgan today.
Okay, perfect. Kriti?
Okay, so I तो मेरे मेरे लिए ना इन लोगों के जवाब जो है वो फर्रों का काम कर रहे हैं.
No, not Farah, but I thought I know where you're. I understood whose fan you are, so hence I said.
So yes, I would go with what Kaushik said. Most likely, it will be Johnny Bairstow.
Okay, so you're a fan. Okay, people, let's talk about Rashid Khan, an amazing player, so consistent, so beautiful. Okay, I'm glad that beautiful has a lot of meanings. Okay.
Yes.
So people, ab sawal ye hai, he's a beautiful bowler, people. I mean, whoever is watching. Okay, so Rashid Khan's economy rate today. Okay, so I'm giving you 3 options: less than 6, 6 to 8, more than 8, and I'll also give you the current economy rate. His current economy rate is 5.34. He's already taken 10 wickets, 8 matches, 10 wickets. Current economy rate is 5.34. So what do you expect today? Less than 6, between 6 and 8, or more than 8? Kaushik?
I was about to say 6 to 8. The current rate that you gave me, I think I'll go with 6 or less than 6. While you were saying, you were talking about Rashid, the one thing that impresses me a lot about him is that is his age. At such a young age, he has been a world beater, So very impressive bowler. And he is not an your regular spinner. He is more into, like Anil Kumble or Shahid Afridi kind of a bowler who bowls fast. And on these pitches, if you can vary your pace, I think he is going to be an important player today. So yeah, 6 or less than 6.
Okay, Abhishek?
I think agree. Below 6 is. I think he's maintained that. It's not that one of days.
Current economy rate.
It's not that one of. No, I mean, if you see, he's been consistent with that mark. It's not that. I think barring one match or where Rahul Tewatia hit him for some sixes the other day. Otherwise, he's maintained that. So yeah, below 6 or below.
Kriti?
6 or below, yes. I absolutely agree. So far, and thank you for giving us the revision of the current economy rate because that really helps as well. But apart from that, Vaise, generally he has been consistent with his economy rate so far. So yes.
Yeah, he's absolutely. He's a fantastic bowler. Okay, I think there was a lot written about him even before the IPL. I mean, that's someone to watch out for, and he's proved that.
True.
Okay, the final question. I know the responses, I think, but still, I will ask as formality. Kaushik, who's gonna win today?
SRH, and I am looking forward to Sandeep Sharma and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. I really like these, small town bowlers who comes in and bowls at 140 plus, and I would really like to see them do well. And of course, Rashid is there, so a very strong bowling lineup and a very good top order. So I would go with SRH. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Abhishek?
It's a tricky one actually today, because if you look at the tournament, I think the top three, Mumbai, Delhi, and RCB, seems to have sealed that spot. That number 4 spot is now between KKR, SRH, and Chennai, in a way. So yeah, on papers, definitely SRH looks a far better side today. Yeah. So yeah, SRH looks good today for me.
Kriti?
I am a little confused about it, to be honest, especially because of this most recent change of captaincy. In case they change their batting order and basically in case they make some sort of internal shuffling, then who knows, maybe KKR has better chances. And like I said last time, I have generally been a fan of KKR since the beginning of IPL, not for any other reason, but just because it was owned by Shah Rukh Khan and it was my favorite player, Sourav Ganguly, playing there. So yes,
She's
can
going.
I pass? Can I pass this question?
Hey, Kaushik, you mentioned Bhuvi, right? But Bhuvi isn't playing.
He has been ruled out for the tournament.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have not been keeping in touch with.
Yeah, I just wanted to actually say one thing, that Kaushik's not been keeping in touch seemed like a lie, because this guy is completely on top of things. He knows every bit of information, right? He knows who's
Right.
hit 4 6s where. So yeah, that's
So
impressive.
maybe he's not watching all the matches.
He may not be watching, but he's
Yes, I am
definitely reading
not.
the newspaper or reading articles.
Right.
Because he's on top of
He's up to speed.
Yes.
No, so that's something that's my jam as well. I don't usually sit and watch all the entire matches because कुछ ना कुछ आता रहता है, especially अभी with all the pets and everything. So
Anuradha, you have seen a different Kaushik. Now I have changed a little. So there was a time when I used to watch Ranji matches as well, and end to end without any stoppage. So nowadays I don't get to do that too much. And Kriti, just to help you out, I have one point to make about KKR is that they are not mentally as prepared as SRH is, because I would love to be a fan of KKR because of the reasons you mentioned. Dada played there, so Shahrukh is the owner, Juhi is there. So, but they are mentally not there. All of a sudden, a change of captaincy. They should have made Ian Morgan the captain at the beginning of the
from
season.
the beginning, yes.
And also, they are still playing around with Andre Russell's batting lineup. For me, he should bat at number 3 for sure. And there's only player who is performing there is Shubman Gill. And again, Sunil Narayan was called out, I guess, because of his bowling action. So mentally, they are not there. That's what I can say about this team.
I think just to add that, I think we're on the 9th match for KKR, and they've still not figured out their best 11. So which is
Exactly. They're also
Yeah.
they seem to be very confused this season for some reason.
there.
I'm still placing my bets on KKR today.
Even last season, they had
Even their
some issues with Andre Russell's batting lineup.
Yeah, one thing I was noticing, I was watching yesterday, and I was looking at the camaraderie, the bonding between players from different countries. Okay, so the teams that have like that bonding is evident are the ones winning.
Absolutely.
Okay, and the others, I mean, you can feel that they're scattered. They're like individual players and not a team.
Yep.
So
But
I think psychologically, that is where you need to do a lot of work instead of just individual
Oh yes.
players. And it's
Absolutely.
pretty much showing. The lack of bonding is showing in the teams that are losing. And
see, that's exactly where again the role of captain or leader comes into play, right? Leader सूत्रधार होता है. उसका काम है सबको एक सूत्र में पिरोना है. I'm not putting everything on just the leader, by the way. I'm not just saying कि सब कुछ उसी की गलती है, but It has to be a combination of and come on, cricket is a team sport. ऐसे थोड़ी ना है कि बस पानी में कूद के तैर तूड़ के निकल आए.
I agree,
But
absolutely.
you see,
Like,
this
last
thing has
point
changed.
to
हाँ जी.
Sorry, no, Abhishek, continue.
so the last point I was wanted to say that I mean yesterday Boria Majumdar put out a tweet with a photo where during a press conference Rishabh Pant was doing a prank with Ricky Ponting, and he mentioned that, and if this is the level of the camaraderie that they share in the dressing room, it shows on the field for a team that they're confident. So certainly this makes a huge difference that you said, Anuradha.
Absolutely. Yesterday, I felt that. I felt that with RCB also. I
Yeah.
felt in DC. I felt in RCB. So, yeah. Okay, guys. It was lovely having you. We will talk
Thank you.
again very soon. Thanks a ton for joining on a Sunday. Have
Thank
a
you so
great day.
much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.